I am so excited that we have started the Guardian Halo Project again for its second year in a row.
The selection process for the Halo Project can be really quite difficult, mostly because we receive so many nominations. And I want to thank everyone for submitting those nominations and just say how honored I am to be able to do this for this family.
As much as I love working on the Guardian Halo Project, it is hard to go through all of the nominations because there is so much immense need. It's not easy to select a candidate for the Guardian Halo Project. As a team, we come together and we review each nomination and we select the ones that we feel best need our services.
We talk about the Halo Project every week in our weekly managers meetings, and in addition to that, we always bring it up in our production and safety meetings. The great thing is we don't have any problem finding volunteers within our company to help on the Halo Project and help these great people.
For me, it's important to help out. I'm a believer of giving back to those in need. And with Matt and Lori, doing this Halo project for someone that really needs our help, it's more than a pleasure to be able to be part of it. When we brought it up during one of our safety meetings to the crews, even though they already do hard work, but they were more than excited to be part of it.
Every time we just have a great outpouring of support. We've had great sponsorship from Owens Corning, GAF, High Point Gutters, Beacon Supply, and lately DTG has been helping us. So actually the materials we take from these homes we're able to recycle.
This year we received even more nominations for our 2020 Halo Project. Last year in 2019 we launched Guardian's Halo Project to give back to a homeowner in need. And it was such a huge success and so well received by not just our team, but all our partners in the roofing industry that we decided with their support we could do not just one, but 2 projects. And so this year we just completed our first Halo project for Jessica Allen. Jessica's project was near and dear to my heart because her husband actually was a roofing contractor at one time. He had started to replace their roof on their home and was only really able to get halfway through.
We've had the house over 30 years, my husband and I, and we've raised 4 kids here, and we have 5 grandchildren. And obviously over the years, the house has had work done on it, and it came a time where we needed a roof, and Dawn had planned on actually doing the roof.
Well, my dad had planned on doing the roof with my husband and my brother.
But he was diagnosed with cancer, and we thought he was gonna get better, and it didn't. It ended up spreading.
The new chemo treatment that they tried on him didn't work and only made him worse to the point where he wasn't able to do anything.
And his time was cut a lot shorter than we thought.
My sister had nominated us to Guardian Roofing in hopes that my mom would be picked because we lost my dad.
So when we saw the nomination come in with half the roof done and the shingles still sitting on there, we knew that that was someone we could really help and that they would really, really appreciate that.
She ended up winning the nomination, and the company came out and did a great job and were super friendly, very thoughtful and respectful of the property.
And my family is super blessed because we needed a roof. And Dawn wasn't here. Guardian Roofing is so kind, and my whole family is so grateful. They've done a great job. My roof looks great.
My dad would have been and is very thankful that this was done for her. He was our everything, the jack of all trades here. We're really starting to realize how many guys it really does take to do all the jobs that he did.
A number of crew members were working on that site together, which is kind of fun. You know, they have a great time. So it's just really neat to see how everyone likes to get involved and how willing everyone is to help.
The crews were excited to be out there, even though the weather wasn't really cooperating with us, but we did our best. The roof looks great, and at the end of the day, you know, we were just all happy that we were able to help somebody.
We're extremely grateful for everybody's work and all the time that they took away from their own families and homes to help our family make it through a few more winters without having to worry about a roof falling in. So we're very appreciative.
And again, it was just a pleasure to be out there, and we're looking forward to the next one.
We open nominations in November of each year, and we close nominations at the end of January. So if you know of someone that needs a major roof repair, roof replacement, I would encourage you to go to guardianhome.com/Halo Project and nominate them there.